Hi, AT from CNC at Home. Would you look at what the mailman dropped off on my doorstep? Looks like a package. Who could this be from? SainSmart? Oh yeah. Let's get this box open and see what's inside. I was recently contacted by SainSmart, and they asked me if I'd be interested in evaluating their rotary roller. I'm assuming that's what this is. Another box. The Genmitsu Laser Rotary Roller Kit. A rotary roller basically replaces the Y-axis for a rolling axis so that we can use the laser on cylinders. So there's a little instruction manual. Now this quote-unquote kit isn't a do-it-yourself or assembly. It is all pre-assembled, ready to go right out of the box. There is an Allen wrench for making adjustments. There is a cord for the stepper motor, and then the rotary roller itself. Nice blue anodized aluminum. We've got a stepper motor, got a belt-driven system that's adjustable. Each one of those adjustments is 15 millimeters apart, so you can adjust it at several different settings, depending on the size of cylinder that you're trying to burn. The instructions are fairly clear. There's not a whole lot to this. The only thing that I found that was interesting is they always show the rotary roller backwards, from my perspective. The front is the roller that's currently away from me, and the back is what's towards me. My pen holder is a cylinder, and it fits on here nicely, and everything seems to move smoothly. Let's see what this looks like with the Genmitsu LE5040 laser. Just set it here, and we'll bring the laser over it. Yep, there's no space in here. What we're going to need to do is raise the whole laser up so that we can put a cylinder of some sort in there. I'll need to find 4 feet that are approximately the same size. Fortunately, I was able to steal some Duplos from the toy box area, which isn't used anymore. There we go. That should be high enough. Put the rotary roller back in here and see what kind of clearance we have. I have a pop can that was painted black. We'll bring the laser over. Plenty of room of clearance there. To connect it, you just disconnect the Y stepper motor from the controller. And you replace that with the stepper motor from the rotary roller, which is essentially replacing our Y-axis. So the controller doesn't know any different. We will have to make a slight setting change to the controller so that it rolls correctly. Here's the rotary roller connected up to the controller. There are a couple parameter changes we'll have to make to the controller. One is for the steps per millimeter, and the other is for the acceleration. Okay, here's some examples of what I was able to burn. Just some real quick stuff. A little SainSmart logo guy. It didn't always work how I intended, but that's part of experimenting with this. Here's a black painted pop can with some lasering on it. After I do a little more experimenting with this, I will shoot some videos and show you guys how this works. But first few things seem to work okay. A few little glitches, but not bad.
Oops.
Hi, I'm AT from CNC at Home. If you like our content, help support our channel by clicking on subscribe and liking our videos. Thank you for watching this video. Have fun with your CNC at Home projects.